Hello there. Come and take a look at what I think is a champion of a smaller garden, the Hellebores. They keep their leaves all year. They grow quite small and compact, so perfect if you only have a small border, perhaps in a front garden, and you don't want to put in a big shrub. You can have a collection of Hellebores instead. And they are little jewels in the garden at this time of year, with these big satellite dish-like flowers that turn up and point towards the sun. They come in dark pink and dark red, like the Anna's red here, all the way through to a beautiful, pure white with hints of lime green. And when there's not much out in the garden, these really do shine. I tend to, when planted in the garden, cut the leaves off around this time of year, but obviously these have been freshly grown, so the leaves are perfect and glossy. But when they've overwintered and they may have been eaten by a slug or a passing snail, they look a bit holy and not that great. So you can just cut them back, and then what you end up with is actually just the unfurling stems with the flowers, and it just gives you an uninterrupted view of all their beauty. So I think from January onwards through to April, these really do come into their own, and you really can bejewel a garden with them. Whether you've got a big woodland garden and you have a bank that you want to just litter with them, or if you've got just a small garden with limited space and you want something that really does give you a lot of interest for a long period of time, I always recommend a Hellebore.